Good afternoon. So I think let's look at the chart real quick. There was a big move in the morning from all the way. So I should have catched this one. But it basically was sideways on this one. It's always problematic here. And then I was looking at NQ around the same place and it was dropping. So I thought it would be dropping. But it quickly ran there and now it is just going slowly downwards. Like I said, whenever there's a push up quickly, then they normally tend to come back to the levels where it actually broke up. Actually broke up after the break happened somewhere here. So it is not possible to come all the way there. Chances are there based on the daily candles. If I look at here. But if you look at the daily candles, normally they go as a double T because they don't want anybody to win, particularly last Friday of the month, third weekend. So they close like this one, or maybe they close a bit red, which is 55, 50. And then if we want to show continuation all the way down, then it might actually close it here, 50. If I add up the band on this one, so that's where it is, 50 or 45. It's not guaranteed though. It might end up just close here, so nobody gets winning. Okay, so as soon as it gets here, I'm going to take another put here. Okay, the previous put actually got filled, so I should have given this alert. So let me see. Where was that? Okay, so this was the alert. Okay, this was the alert went out. So I was waiting for this one. So basically update. Filled. Okay. So the alerts came up. I don't know why it doesn't show the count. I had so many alerts there. So I entered it at 280. Sorry, I got FOMO and then entered 340 and then exited 370. But I also got another 1x, a little bit better price later on, and then exited at 370. Okay, so let's look at for the. We're basically looking for the puts once we reach some level here. I will be looking for this level. Yeah, we're almost approaching there. We can actually build the order, which is same. We'll take same 20 compounds. I'll go for same 270, 260. Then wait. Let's see how that one leads to. Oh, it already started coming down, but I have to wait because we are here. I think we can actually take, but with the lesser risks, I will go ahead and cancel this one. I'll take the next one, which is this one, same 25 contracts for one was 95, 190. Okay, let's do that one. And most likely we get filled in a couple of seconds, otherwise I have to move to 2 or even to 10. Yeah, move it to 2. Should have taken it to open before when it was going. Well, anyway, this thing started falling. So basically, we want to go downwards, continue at least some part because we are near the BB midpoint, so it might actually stall here without going down. But best case scenario for the week would be yeah, we say like this 23 area. I think that's where we had a 0.382 Fibonacci level when we actually got the other day. Fibonacci here. Other point currently. Let's look at this 1 hour. Okay, is that one? Let's put this on 2 hours. More Fibonacci and draw it here, so we will have a better picture. That's the low, and that's high, and that's the one I was looking for, 76.25. Yeah. And that's a very long way to go. Well, there's always a possibility they will just do the unexpected. So, and it has to pass this one to go to the top. So far it's trying to hold in these levels. Let's see. We didn't get that field, so okay, I'm seeing another leg down, so I'll go ahead and get this one filled. 220 if it kept filled. Hopefully this will actually get filled this time. More very quickly. Yeah, but I don't want to chase too fast too quickly, so just wait there. There will be definitely some up move to pull. Because after all, we are only looking for 30 points. There it comes. One more push. Then we should get. We'll just take 20 or something. Why it fails. Either time decay has to fill you or the upward move has to fill you. I think at one point they will actually push higher real quick. and then come back down again. Okay, that one got filled. We'll just look for 25 cents. Wait, what happened? Yeah, I need to cancel the modify order and then go here. We got 20. So 25 should be fine. But exit. When we have this much risk, we should get out real quickly, real fast. Particularly when you are actually below. Because, see, this is your 2 minutes. There's 1 minute. There's so much space there. Up to 65. Went upward. Whatever that we are looking initially was filled. So let's find more at that price. 10 more at that price. I think 195. That's the one we were waiting for. Every time out of the money once, if you look at this one, look at the quote. Okay, let's not getting filled, but also not getting exited. Okay, just this one. Right here. That's coming down. This one is basically on the higher time frame. Yeah. So that's where it is going. Eventually we want to go this direction, but how far this one goes, how many days it will take, we do not know. This is multi-day. Day 26, sorry, 28, 19, 28, and 21st. So we basically see how it's one roll down, one up, one up. This looks different. Oh, this is XSP. Should be looking at this one. Daily candles. Yeah, I mean, there's a chance that could go down to 50 or even 45. Or better, over here. We don't know. It's just keep super slow move though. It's basically super tight, going in back and forth. This may even go upwards. Look at it. The front position has 950 to 70 last year. So let me add here, not because that's where you want to add. Here it go. Okay, got the flow. Cancel this one. 297. Then look at this center. That's higher time frame. So it is up to here, I think. Midpoint. That's a midpoint. So it's over here. Okay, so this would be red candle again, yeah, red one. Yeah, remove that. Yeah, that's a pattern, that's how they form. That is what we normally look for. See, one, two, and the third one. Continuation. That's why I can comfortably add comfortably when it is not reached the base and still it's sloping. Okay. Yeah. Let's see if we are exiting here or not. Okay, let's see if we could get 225. Yeah, price very difficult to appreciate when it's actually out of money. Right now this is out of the airport. Right now is 71, we are at 65. I mean it's closer but still it takes a long time. Needs to move 7 plus 5. Sorry, 5 plus 2, 7 points. Then it can quickly go to positive. There, this week is anyone coming. That could be the one that's going to feel the same. It's not easy. It takes a very long time. The closest one is this. There's probably this one. We just keep going. Yeah, when you're at the screens, you have to have a lot of patience. You're looking at it without getting feared by looking at all this back and forth moves. That's actually red one. Whenever it happens, gap down, it goes up and then goes down again. Similarly, up direction, gaps up and then gaps down. And gaps up and then fills the gap. That means it's trying to get momentum. So basically break below this support. Okay, this one. Five, 15. Let's see what is looking at 13. We have one more minute, which is 1 hour left on 2 hours, which is plenty of time to come here. Even here, I don't know. Just the case only. Or we're not waiting for that fall, we're just waiting for this one to exit out. This level. Even better this one. That is the last upward direction quick move. Doom, 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 right. See how it gives here when it's going up, it doesn't give you a chance to enter. And while coming, it will take so long. So even if you enter here, break, just going to lose any outputs. Okay, here you see that's not really moving much. I think I should exit out with 10 cents. It doesn't give me that much because I have so much at risk. Yeah, oh, you got filled. That's a quick drop. How much it was? 25 cents fill. 25 cents. So we got 25 at 220, that's 5 cents profit. And this one got 45 cents profit. And this one got 60 cents profit, which is good. Okay, now it's just moving out of this level. There. See, it's coming to that. Then once that one breaks, then definitely you go to the body. So we can safely take some credits because debit's not working. So let's move this one. I'll go maybe 2 days out, take a better price, and take this one 20. What is this one? 20, 20, and this is 10. I don't want that many. Okay, so I'll go above this one, 75 and above, which is this one. I think I'll go with this one. Yeah, you can take 10, it's not a problem. But in your accounts, 10 times 2 is like a 20,000. Let's take 5. Okay, let's see if we can. Oh, wait, that's wrong. Cancel. It's supposed to be this one. Creating. Okay. Better flip 40 or 50. Then there's a spike up. Okay, so we're basically waiting here. We may not even get fit. Let's see. This is $1. This is another one. So normally trading in this direction is preferable in the morning time when you see this not breaking prior days levels. This is prior days continuous squeeze yesterday's, and then suddenly squeeze up. But NQ was giving a different indication around the time. So I'm looking at here. So, oh, it's already up. Oh yeah, this is the one. This red one. Let's keep going. And now we passed 130 and 230 CST. But my gut feeling is it might want to close around 60 and 65 area at the end of the day, making this one as a doji, like a doji open price, which is 65. What is it? How much premium we have on today's left if you go 10 points? Oh, yes. Yeah, what if it goes to 75? Then we have a lot of risk. Okay, I think staying here is only the best way. Right there. We might be getting full this time. This is similar action what we saw before by dropping on 5 minutes. Yeah, this one, two, and third one, four. And then now it's in reverse direction. That's what happens, like just jog, ping pong between a straight line. If you draw a straight line, this is one straight line goes away. This will be seen properly if you go with a bit bigger time frame. Yeah, one single straight line. That's how it is. So it will stop here until it comes to this point. It will just keep doing that action. Okay, let's take a couple of puts here. Since we came up, but I want to stay closer. Let's see. Right. Yeah, it's very this one. Basically. Okay, I want to take this closest one. Let's make it 20. Let's try to get it lower. Oh, it's already coming down. Sorry, it doesn't give a feel. Verify this. Oops. It's already coming down, so you don't get the price. We are in the second hour continuation. There will be a lot of action within the last 20 minutes or maybe 10 minutes. I got the fill. So we got 360. We got 60, so let's look at for 90. Yes. Doing this. I want to see this. Again, it is actually hugging that line. Look at these 2 minutes. Let's look at some 50 minutes to see. Yeah, until that point, it will be just doing that action. Maybe it is reached the level, which is this one. We basically brought very low price. That's one level. And more because there's still strength downward. And at 10 first. For about 310. I don't know if you get a fill or not. Let's see. If I don't get the fill but this one appreciating, I will just cancel that one. And we are still waiting on this one to get fill, but it doesn't look like we are getting any. What was the price on this one? How come it's not full? Yeah. It still need to go. Oh yeah, it just got the one. Which one we got? Oh, we got the other one. Okay, in the case, let's modify this one to match. Modify this one to match the total count of 30. And 6. What are we looking for? Okay. That's 340. Okay, now it's coming home. Why do I have to this one? Okay, so that's actually down candle. This one will go on like that. That's a red with a wick. Like that right now. Oh wait, we only left with 2 minutes, which may not be. Let's see if that action comes in 15 minutes. Nope. Okay, 1.5 minutes. Right, that can pull through that fast. Oh, this is. Oops. Still the channel. But this time the channel is actually even super slow. Downwards. I think we got the other one also fail. Which is this one. So we exit 4, 7, 6, 60. Okay. If you look at here on the 1 minute, this one. That's a strong move actually on 1 minute. Whereas here, not that strong. But here, it's like a red and arrow. Okay, like that. But still within the range though. Let's see, what are we doing on this one? It's already 16. Whenever you have too many counts, too much of the contracts, that's how the price would be, because even 10 cents moves almost 90, $300, right? Okay, I think this will be the last one once it is done, because the level for the day, like a level for today would be like a I mean, most likely it will close at the opening prices, which is this one. So I don't want to jeopardize keep putting orders at the last at these levels. So this is already showing sign of rejection here, which may not be true yet. The true rejection, I would say, would be here, which is a 65. Once it reaches to that price, then there might be high speed move in any direction. Until then, it's super slow, and by the time it moves here, it may be 230 already. One more hour. Look at the action this time. It looks different. It want to go upwards. Yeah, this may be it. Maybe this is the place I want to go back. Let's see. I'll go mute for a while. we have reached which is a gap level to the left. And if you take that long boom, so this is a gap, and see if it rejects or not on that one. This is also in line with the last drop, which is let's color the room as a blue. Okay, it looks like it might go up. Maybe so far all the puts are keep burning. Now it want to shape off the puts premiums. So this is upward direction here. In fact, I think we will be better off exiting and then taking on the call side. Or maybe stay flat. Let's see how the lower time frame looks. It doesn't look good. That is, yeah, so every time you have a hammer, then you will see normally another hammer, particularly when it's a sideways market. That's what is happening right now. And we have 37 minutes to go, so this might even go as a positive for a while. Okay, I think I need to exit the other one. What do you think? 49. Wow, that's not good one. Point. Let's see if there is any. Let's skip. Okay. And even this one has no problem because this for the next week, so we can leave them there. This could also might actually close here. Just the opening price of the last time. Okay, it is a rejection, so we can actually get back in the same order. This one, I think that's the. Let's take the same 30 contacts. That one for T1. Got print and select different. Three more. I should have waited 3 more minutes. Maybe that's how it pulls the big crowd. Okay, another. That's not good. Good. Okay, closing on this one too. I will wait for the last minute. 60. Oh, this one. And it comes in there. So, okay, let's look at this side. It's too early. I just entered the call very late, and that's the place I have. Yeah, it's finished. Okay, that's all I want to take anymore at the moment. Let's wait. Okay, I'm done for the day. I might actually log off now. I think this is simple. And just this one. I think I'm actually lost for the day. Let's see. Yeah, the initial one has a loss, and then the recent one has a loss. And I think that's a positive, but anyway, overall it's a loss. Okay, the slope is not causing this loss. It's higher than this. Yeah, already got. Alright, talk to you guys later.